guys, welcome to our channel once again. It's really nice and Molly here. Today we're going to be cooking Bora Curry with chicken. Remember that one? So here are our ingredients. We have our Bora, which is also known as long beans. And the rest of the ingredients are onions, garlic, pepper, scallions, curry powder, garam masala, roasted ground geera. We're going to be using some chicken drumsticks in here in this recipe. So that's about it. So let's get started. So first you're gonna cut up your Bora, getting rid of the head on the tail. So you can cook Bora with a lot of things. People cook this with saltfish as well. So this is an easy way to cut it if you're cooking the bundle. Cut them that big. So our Bora is all cut up already. See how fast that was? You have to use it as being in a bundle or ready to your advantage and cut it up quickly. So we have our scallions and onion chopped already. So we're gonna go pound the garlic here now. So we've got our garlic ground, chicken washed, and we're gonna make the curry paste now. So we have our curry powder, roasted ground geera, and garam masala in there. Molly has added the ground garlic and pepper in there, and we're gonna make our curry paste. Okay guys, our oil is hot, so we're gonna get started here. So you're gonna let your onions fry for about 30 seconds or so. And now for the paste, the curry paste. We're gonna let this fry for about 2 minutes. The usual thing. So our 2 minutes is up and we're gonna add our chicken now. You wanna bunjay the chicken a bit. Bunjal. So now we're gonna add the bora. So long beans is called bora in Guyana, guys, for those of you who don't know. So that's all of our long beans in the pot. Salt to taste. On our very pepper, we're using 1 pepper now. Scallions, a little bit of black pepper, and we're just gonna cover this and let it cook. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so we're gonna give the bora a check, see what's happening. And it's looking good, look at that. So that's it, coming up nice as you can see. So we're gonna cover it back and let it cook. So it's been a few more minutes for our bora. And this is smelling good already, guys. Ready for some rice or roti. So now we're gonna add some water to this. Not a lot. Because the chicken is cut up small and the bora, it won't take long to boil. So you don't need a lot of water for this. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright. So it looks like our bora and chicken is finished down here. So that's all there is to this beautiful, tasty bora and chicken curry, guys. Look at that. So this is supposed to be as dry as it is here. This is not supposed to be watery. Okay guys, so that's it. Here is our Bora and chicken curry. Looking delicious as usual. So you can have this with roti, rice, whatever you like. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.